Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, today I'll be showing you how to make chicken and macaroni stir fried. All right, so if you want to know how I made this delicious, yummy looking chicken and macaroni stir fried, then keep on watching. And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you for always supporting me. Okay, I do not take your love for granted. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. So guys, these are the list of ingredients you'll be using to prepare your own chicken and macaroni stir fry. I have my macaroni here. I'm using crown. I have my bell pepper, my green and yellow bell pepper. I have my onion and garlic. Add that garlic, add it. I have my carrots. Here I have my red and green scotch bonnet pepper. I have my chicken already cooked, my cooked chicken. So guys, I'm also using vegetable oil, salt, seasoning cube. I'm using curry powder and oregano. If you don't have oregano, you can use thyme. Okay, so let's start cooking. So guys, to start with, we are going to be adding some amount of oil in a dried pot and we'll allow the oil to heat up. So once the oil is hot enough, we'll be adding in our onion and chopped garlic. I will stir and allow to fry for about 2 minutes. Then I'll be going in with my curry powder. I'm going to stir, allow to fry for another 2 minutes. So 2 minutes later, I'll be adding in my carrots, my bell pepper, that's my green and yellow bell pepper. I'm going to stir. Then I'll be seasoning it with some salt and seasoning cube. I'm going to stir this and then I will add in my pepper. That's my green and red scotch bonnet pepper. Please guys, go in with the amount of pepper you can take. I love hot and spicy food, So just go in with the amount of pepper you know you can tolerate. I'm going to stir this, allow to fry for 2 minutes, and then I'll add in my chicken. So I'm adding in my chicken now, and I'm going to be adding in the chicken stock, just a little. The chicken stock is just small, so I'll be adding in everything to loosen in the sauce. If you don't want dry pasta or of your macaroni to come out dry, just add in a little liquid to loosen in the sauce. If not, there is no need to add in any liquid. So I'm going to mix it now and then bring it down and start boiling my macaroni. So now I have my water on fire. I will allow the water to come to a boil before adding in my macaroni. So our water is boiled now. I'm going to be adding in salt and a drop of vegetable oil. I'm going to stir and then add in my macaroni. I'm going to allow this to cook for 7 minutes and then we'll introduce it back into our sauce. So guys, it's time for us to introduce the macaroni into our chicken sauce. And if you have watched me up to this point and you have not subscribed to the channel, why now? Why haven't you subscribed? Why haven't you joined this loving and amazing family? Subscribe. Subscription is free. There is no charges, okay? Just click on that subscribe button and that is it. You are subscribed. Do not forget to like this video, okay? Please help me to like this video. Give me a comment. Like the video is very important, okay? So now I'll be adding in the remaining of my veggies and I'm going to mix everything very well. I'll be mixing it so well until everything is well mixed. So that is it guys, our macaroni is ready. Thank you for watching. Bye.